Tapos number one ay huwag kang sasali ng Drag Race.
Then why did you join?
Oh my God. Hindi nga ako nag-beg na itrato ako ng tama dun sa show.
If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen.
The past few months, like, everything has been negative online. Si bakla dapat pala nag-medication muna bago nag-Drag Race.
Kahit anong size yan, if you know how to maneuver, if you know how to move, masasatisfy mo yung partner mo.
Uy, maliit. My life was okay before it.
Bakit kailangan idama yung family? Why does it have to reach death threats? You know, it's just a fucking show.
I joined Drag Race for the mileage. O tama, annoying ka, J Queen. Shut up. Hi, my name is J Queen from Drag Race Philippines Season 3. Ang in-expect ko dito, gusto ko lang malasing. Let's go na. Antak ulit, banding.
Hi, I'm Lloyd Agustin and honestly, na-expect ko lang, excited lang ako makita siya mag-strip.
Hello? Lo? Bakla, parang, nag-strip ako, parang end nyo na. Alam mo na manonood din. If you could have it your way right now, who would you be with? Where would you be and what would you be doing? But parang lahat ng cards yung parang ayaw sa akin. So ano yan?
Right now, honestly, I'm kind of sick, so hindi naman malala, pero I would honestly rather be at home and rest and sleep with my dog.
Parang medyo comfortable, di ba?
For the next 60 seconds, touch yourself like you'd like to touch me.
Tagalog mo nga. Itagalog mo nga ng konti.
Hawakan mo yung sarili mo kung paano mo ako gustong hawakan.
Okay.
Now.
May sakit ka, di ba?
Oo. So,
pinapaliguan ko.
Okay.
Okay. May sakit nga. Mga bakla, may sakit. Ano pa? Simot na bakla pag binastos pala. Kawawa naman. May sakit yung tao. Go to the bathroom, take off your underwear, and put it on your head. Ako ba to or sa kanya?
Sa kanya nga. Hindi mo natin nag-tayo.
Medyo bobo si Bob. Gagawin mo ba to?
Wait lang, nag-iisip ako kasi mamaya pag nag-drink or sip, baka patanggal mo yung pants ko. Wala na akong underwear. So I'm just gonna drink.
Sabihin na talaga yung uminom. O go, laban!
Nag-process din siya.
Kasi pag nag-sip ako mamaya, baka patanggal yung pants ko. So wala na akong underwear.
Uy, gago ko naman. May sakit yung tao. Sa standards ko, konti yan. Mabait ako, pangit lang yung pagka-edit sa akin sa show.
Blaming the edit.
Blaming it on the edit.
Beg your opponent to make out with you. He or she has to refuse. Keep trying to convince in different ways for 1 minute.
So, sino gagawa?
Ikaw.
Ha?
Parang nakasampung tanong ka. Sino gagawa?
Wait lang.
Ikaw nga.
Matagal yung inom na lang ako. Wala ate.
Ayaw niya lang mag-beg.
I don't beg. My God. Hindi nga ako nag-beg na itrato ako ng tama dun sa show. Lang.
Your turn.
Sabi sa'yo, nalakas ako uminom. Dance as sexiest as you can. Shirtless for guys. Ba't parang lahat ng physikalan yung napupunta sa'yo?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi, ikaw yung gagawa niyan.
Hindi ba siya? Okay, gets ko na! Sorry, gets ko na.
Biglang na-gets mo ha?
Gets ko na.
Hindi, sige, inom na lang ako.
Alaayon mo talaga.
Trade clothes with your partner.
Anong size ng paa mo?
Actually, I'm not sure, like 8, 9?
Gusto kita makita nakatiil. Pahila naman. Ayun. Diba? Gusto niyo yung comedy lang, akala niyo papaghubarin ko, bakla hindi. Manigas kayo. Pati nga, get the shoes babe, get the shoes. Napagtiil.
What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you during sex?
Kadiri to ha.
Oo, okay lang.
Na-earn ata siya.
Saan?
Sa nota.
Paano mo nalaman na na-earn ka?
Ano ba amoy ng tae?
So, naamoy mo
Sige
lang
nga.
siya, hindi mo siya nakita.
Hindi.
Naamoy mo muna.
Oo, lights off kasi. Matagal na yun, as in batit pa ako. As in teenager pa ako. Kasi parang, kasi di ba pag bagets ka, hindi masyadong pasabog yung maglinis. Medyo may air na yung yung nota. Parang yuck.
So, anong ginawa mo?
Kunwari ang fantasy ng scat play, ganun.
Parang ano?
Scat play.
Ano yun?
Yung fetish ng tae.
Okay. So,
Yan
tinuloy
na.
niyo pa rin, natapos pa rin kayo.
Oo, di niya naman napansin. Ako napapansin ko.
O baka nagpatay mali siya lang siya.
Baka nagpatay mali siya dahil nakakaya eh. Baka wala, ang sarap sayang naman. Diba? Parang ganun. Patay mali siya na lang, go. Yun na yun. Size or performance?
Performance, definitely.
Bad performance.
Kasi kahit anong size yan, if you know how to maneuver, if you know how to move, masasatisfy mo yung partner mo.
Uy, maliit.
Yeah. Well, I for one, I would admit. Hindi, sige, I mean, like, I'm not above average for anything, but I know how to move and I know how to satisfy my partner.
Yeah, totoo din naman. Totoo pag magaling kang gumalaw.
Diba?
Laban na. Kasi ako naman afam dati, hindi talaga masarap kahit
Sobrang laki,
malaki.
diba?
So, parang performance na lang talaga. Gusto nyo yung na-try ko na lahat. Kasi hindi para sa akin yung tanong, sumagot din ako. Bobong puto. Huwag na ikaw na. Ang baboy ng video na to.
Have you ever done a fake orgasm?
Oo.
Paano? How'd you do it?
Marami akong story na Pero feeling ko mas pasabog kasi to.
Oh.
Ako yung nag-top. Tapos
Okay.
pagod na ako.
Yeah.
So, parang fake orgasm. Tapos gusto niyo makita ko basan ako sa condom. Sabi ko, wait. Natatapon ko na. Yun yung pinaka nakakatawa ko Kasi nakakatawad mag-top nung time na sila Seng. Nag-fake orgasm na lang ako.
Ba't ka nag-fake orgasm? Ayaw mo na?
Pagod
Di mo
na
di
ako.
mo-
Ang
okay.
sakit sa bewang.
Pwede ka namang umiga, tapos sabihin mo siya yung gumalaw.
Tsaka nung starfish bakla.
So gusto mo ikaw yung gumagalaw pag top ka?
Oo, yun yung eksena ko. Like, ayoko nung kasi pet peeve ko din yung top na starfish.
Na di gumagalaw.
So, syempre, pag pet peeve mo, di mo gagawin.
Tama.
Diba? So, parang, kunwari na lang nila. Nakainom din naman kasi. So, parang, believe siya. So, go. Tapos, di ko na tinangka ulit na, mag-ganon ng nakainom. Ang hirap pala. Like, matagal na pag
Matagal, sobrang tagal.
So, parang,
I agree.
wag na tatangkain ulit, dahil. What attitude of mine turns you off? Dagdagan natin yung tanong. On Drag Race. Parang nakakatawa sana pag sinabi niya all.
Marami akong napanood sa sa TikTok kasi it's always showing up. You know, your season I think is one of the most viral seasons sa Drag Race Philippines. I'm aware that you're like one of the queens na medyo hindi maganda yung online
Oo,
feedback.
hindi maganda yung feedback.
Yeah.
Hard.
Yung
Sabihin mo na.
wait lang, ang dami kasi.
Oh,
Hindi,
yun na eh.
joke lang.
Hindi, parang
Joke lang.
dead ma lang kung all kasi hindi ko naman hawak yung editing.
Hindi, hindi ko masyadong
Yung kay
maalala
Kiana,
kasi.
yung kay Angel, yung mga tantrums ko.
Ito, I'm gonna say like a particular scene that I remember, but you can correct me if I'm wrong kasi I don't really remember it like 100%. Pero yung parang tinanong mo yata si Maxi for like a confrontation challenge.
Episode 9.
If ano yung kinakagalit mo sa bakit ayaw mo sa amin? Parang sinabi kanya plastic or something.
Oo, yun. Oo.
Yeah, and then he said that you guys were talking about his sister.
Yeah.
So maybe I guess that's a turn off if you talk shit about my sibling or.
We weren't talking shit.
Mhm.
It was
So
real.
hindi totoo yun.
Siguro nung time lang na yun, kasi pinakita nga sa episode na yun, yung parang tinatanong ako ni Angel about sa isang challenge. So naingayan talaga ako kasi nagpo-focus ako. Yun yung episode na sinabi ko kay Angel, is this necessary? Kasi nga naingayan kami ni Yudi. Pero ayun, true naman talaga, kahit ako na ako sa sarili ko sa show.
Like when you watch yourself?
Oh, cringe malalate. As in,
Like why did I
Tama
say
na.
that? Why did I do
Oo.
that? Ganon.
Like, si Bakla dapat pala nag-medication muna bago nag-drag race. So parang, gets ko.
Yeah.
Kasi kahit ako na ako sa sarili ko, marami akong cringe.
Marami
moments
kang
na.
moments sa
Oo, na kahit personally ako nag-cringe ako. Pero,
So, wait lang, parang to some extent, pag hate ka ng mga tao kasi you're saying that you're receiving a lot of hate comments right now, parang nag-agree ka sa kanila.
yung mga nag-agree ako, yung mga mga ginawa ko sa show. Yung mga hindi ako agree, yung sobrang dehumanizing na bawat gawa ko sa PES, inuuri nila.
Yeah.
Tapos pati yung weight ko, inuuri nila. Yun yung pinaka-ayoko. Tapos pati yung may mga taong nagsasend ng death threats.
Yeah,
Tapos
that's crazy.
pinapahanap yung pamilya ko sa South
Yeah.
Caloocan. Parang, bakla OA.
Sobrang-
Pero lahat ng sinabi...
Sobrang OA talaga,
Diba?
swear.
Pero lahat ng sinabi ko sa show, tama, yung ka, J-Queen, shut up. Ganon. Pero yung like personal stuff, parang...
Yeah. Like, honestly, it's so stupid. Like, bakit kailangan idama yung family? Why does it
Yeah.
have to reach death threats? You know, it's just a fucking show. Like, what's the big deal?
Pasabog yung death threats kasi mas madali ako makasik asylum sa ibang bansa. Parang okay lang, go lang. Like, bye, bounce.
What's an embarrassing story about you that you have never told anyone?
Pandemic na scam ako. Kasi ano yung pa-zero balance na. Story to Kasi parang, si bakla naghahanap ng racket. Tapos para
Were you already, sorry, are you a drag queen already? By
Oo, yung nag-post lahat. Parang mini racket lang siya online. Tapos para makapasok ka dun sa program nila, need magbigay ng pera. So ako naman, parang sobrang tawag dito, desperate na ako magkaroon ng ganap nun. Nagbigay ako ng 1 poke para makapasok. Binak ako after.
1K?
Oo. Tapos yung pala, scam yung program nila. Sinearch ko sa Reddit. Yung pala marami nang na-scam.
Marami ng scam.
So alam mo yung ay, bakla, nakakahiya naman. Tapos walang masyado nakakaalam nun.
So hindi ka nagreklamo or anything?
Hindi ako nagreklamo, bobo eh.
So parang kasalanan
Pumatol kasalanan ko, di ba? So parang, yun yung pinaka-nakakayang story ko. Ayun, pag bago kayo magbigay ng pera sa mga ganong kunyari eksena.
Yeah.
Hindi siya totoo.
Yeah,
Kasi
that's
kung racket talaga yun, hindi mo kailangan mag-down payment.
Tama.
Parang downers naman yung tanong na yun. Tanggalin nyo yun next time. Your thoughts on cancel culture?
Honestly, personally, I think na social media hate is not real.
True ba?
Yeah, I think so. Kasi for me, I believe na yung mga taong pala comment, pala hate messages, hate comments, I think yung mga taong batugan na tambay sa FB tas walang ginagawa sa buhay nila. So, honestly, I think na you shouldn't be affected by it. But cancel culture, I think it's okay to call out people, especially kung may mali talaga silang ginagawa. But I don't support like online bullying.
Oh my God, thank you. Ang sarap marinig yun ngayon. Na ganun. Kasi I've been dealing with it for 3 months na. Because of that show. Parang tama.
Diba? Kasi usually naman like the people who are busy, the people who are working, the people who have shit to do with their life, they don't have time to like hate online, they don't have time to message you and tell you to kill yourself or whatever. Yung mga gumagawa lang yan, yung talagang mga walang ginagawa sa buhay, nasa bahay lang sila all day, they don't have work, they don't have anything going on. So why would you let yourself be affected, let yourself be sad because of the lamest people on earth na nagko-comment dahil sinasabi nilang like, you're not what you are. So,
oh my God, ang sarap pakinggan nun, te. Oh my God, salamat, chef. Ikaw na.
Ako na ba?
Baka maiyak naman ako pag pinagpatuloy mo. Kasi ang daming pinagdadaanan ni bakla ngayon.
Kaya mo yan, Shuki.
Oh, yan. If the world ends next Monday and you can do whatever you want, even illegal stuff, what would you do?
Parang pointless yung tanong. Hindi kasi kung matatapos na yung mundo next week, yung gusto ko lang naman magnakaw ng pera sa bangko. Kasi para fulfill mo yung fantasy mong rich life.
Yeah, for sure.
Parang, na lang, that's na lang na. Kung next week naman, bakit pa ako maghihintay? Like, gets ba? Like, parang, kung next week tapos na yung mundo, tapos magnanakaw lang naman akong pera, anong gagawin ko sa 1 week na may pera ako? Sarado na rin all. Parang, wala, yun lang. Siya? Nonsense by Sabrina Carpenter. Hala, umaga na! Umaga na, may alarm na! Post an embarrassing photo of yourself with me on social media.
Like right now. Hindi, mag-shot muna ako kasi sabi ko kanina.
Hindi.
We're gonna...
Hindi. Mas okay na mag-shot na lang siya kasi pag nakita Lloyd with J Queen, hate train to.
Actually, totoo yan.
Tropa mo yung J Queen, hate ka namin. Ganun kalala yung hate train sa akin yun.
Totoo?
Oo, totoo.
Ako na same here, right now.
As someone na may social media manager na parang gawin mo lahat ng tama mali.
Yeah.
Ito yung mali, mag-post ka with J Queen, inom ka na.
Oh, hindi, I don't mind. I would love to post with you in the future, pero kasi, yeah.
Hindi, inumin na yan. Ako yung natatakot para sa'yo, like, don't diss in with J Queen. Swear. Naman, meta naman si bakla. Alam ko yung sitwasyon ko ngayon.
Oo nga, actually, I can sense that since you kaninang pag-upo mo pa lang dyan.
Hindi, ganun na kasi yung mindset bakla simula nung hate train ko.
Yeah, you should. Kasi sometimes it gets in your head and we can't blame you if nafe-feel mo na parang totoo na yung mga sinasabi ng tao sa'yo. But like what I said earlier, social media hate is not real. Like the moment na, for example, if magko-comment, makakabasa ka ng hate comment, like whatever they're saying, like J Queen is stupid, J Queen is dumb. Like after nila i-type yun, they go on about their day, they forget about you, they don't really think about you the whole day. Don't let it get in your head.
Okay, sige.
As much as you can.
Okay, moving forward. Okay, go. Laban. Parang salamat. The past few months, like, everything has been negative online. Kaya sobrang, core ko ngayon is yung friends ko in real life. Tapos yung na lang, parang yung social media is just a facade. Tapos parang akala ng mga tao na, ay, dahil mas bakla sa bashing niya.
Yeah.
Pero hindi. Nakakabaliw siya. Pero move on na tayo. Bakla baka sabihin naman ng mga tao, hala, everything is not about you, bakla. Kasi iniisip ko na
Another naman,
hate train na naman yung pag sinabi, puro ikaw na naman, bakla, hindi.
Are you okay in having a gay child? Why?
Oo. Actually, pag sabihin natin maka-aksidente ako sa babae. Parang bet ko kung magkakaroon kami ng anak, gusto ko bading. Kasi, pag nagkaroon ako ng anak, tapos bading, kaya kong ibigay sa kanya lahat ng wrong na ginawa ko sa buhay. Tapos pwede niyang hindi gawin yun as a gay person. Parang I'm gonna teach you to be gay, but in the most proper and demure way. Kasi, meta nga si bakla, parang alam ko lahat ng maling ginawa ko sa buhay ko. Tapos number 1 ay huwag kang sasali ng drag race.
Legit vibe, is it like to some extent, do you regret joining
Yeah, I
drag
regret
race?
joining. Kasi
Really?
my life was okay before it.
Damn.
Yeah, parang
So if,
okay.
like, given like, if you can rewind time, di ka sasali?
Yeah. Kung magkakaroon ako ng anak na bakla, go lahat, basta lahat ng maling ginawa ko, huwag mong gagawin.
Especially sumali sa drag race.
Yeah.
Season-
So parang season something.
Season 2020.
Oo, parang lang, live your best true self, pero do it in the most organic and proper way. Na hindi ayaw ng tao sa'yo, or hindi tingin ng society sa'yo na you're a menace. What makes you emotional?
No, ito, yung mga kwento mo kanina about drag race.
Ganun ba ako ka-downers? Oh my God. Sorry.
Pambasag ng inuman.
Hindi, lagyan niya
Hindi ako kasi I'm not a very emotional person. Like I know how to, like I had my fair share of social media backlash. I just try to, pag medyo, like if, there's a saying, like if you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. So pag medyo nagiging emotional na ako, I just take my time to isolate, meditate, and be with myself, with my core friends, with my family, like surround myself with love and with the people that I trust. But I guess what makes me emotional the most, siguro, ang cliche kasi, pero my family, I guess. Kasi yun yung mga nagiging sandalan ko at times na talagang pag di ko na kinakaya yung the things that I'm dealing with in the real world.
Pasabog siya. Ang dami ko napupulot sa kanya. Kasi, ayun nga, parang medyo chaotic si Bakla.
Oh, cheers tayo dahil dyan. The joke lang. Gusto mo minom?
Hindi, inom tayo. Like, na siya, hindi na siya for content na legit na inuman na to. Like, bet ko yung mga sagot niya. Hindi ako nag-expect ng bastusan.
Naging sad content.
Bakla, cheers.
Cheers.
Hindi, pasabog yung mga niya, yung mga chika niya. Kasi I really needed to hear.
But I can see it in your eyes na medyo affected ka nga talaga with what happened to you. Basta yun lang ako, I just try to tell myself all the time na social media hate, it's not real.
Bakla pa iyak na ako.
What is a silly thing you are emotionally attached to?
A silly thing that you are emotionally attached to? Yung show na sinalihan ko. Alam ko yung mga nanonood din, parang more on the sexual stuff, di ba? Pero si Bakla, sobrang self-aware. So parang, yung show kasi na sinalihan ko is just a silly thing to me. Nung pumasok ako. Pero nung nakita ko na everything that happened and what happens to a person when they're produced, so parang dumating na yung time na sobrang emotional ko sa sarili ko. Like, why the did you do this?
But before joining Drag Race, were you one of those people who dreamed about, like, this is my dream as a drag queen?
No.
Then why did you join?
I joined Drag Race for the mileage. Kasi hindi lahat ng drag queen kaya sabihin na I'm a fucking rude girl.
Oh.
Pero nung kaya ko na siyang sabihin, pero nakita ko everything at the expense of this, parang may angulo na hindi siya worth it. Kung hindi mo talaga siya pangarap ng hard, like don't go for it. Alam kong papasok ako doon na hindi ako mananalo. Pero hindi ko in-expect
So you weren't in it to win it?
I wasn't in it to win it. I was just there to be seen.
Oh.
Kasi yung drag ko is very different from other drag queens. At the end of the day naman, may mga nagre-reach out na parang, I love your drag as a K-pop and anime fan, pero minsan natatabunan yung mga yun ng hate. The silly thing is Drag Race. The emotional part is the backlash.
Yeah, I guess you're right. If you think na it wasn't really your dream and maybe you were like kind of half-assing it when you joined it.
Well, hindi siya half-ass. Like, I gave my all.
You did?
Para mapakita ko yung type of drag that I have. Hindi lang ako umaasa na mananalo ako.
Oh, okay.
Kasi sa sobrang niche nung drag ko, alam ko hindi ako mananalo. Pero hindi siya...
What kind of drag do you do, sir?
My drag is heavily inspired on anime and K-pop. And cosplay.
Oh,
and alam ko yung cosplay, like, aware ako na parang sobrang bad ng reputation ng cosplay. Especially on the Filipino general public. Ayun, pumasok ako I gave my best, pero I wasn't expecting anything. Na nagkatotoo naman. Like, wala talaga ako in-expect. So, wala din ako masyadong nakuha. But yung ayun talaga, yung hate.
Ano yun nakuha mo, yung hate.
Mama, depression, malala. Like, to the point na wala akong gana kumain.
Oh, damn. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Like, ginusto ko naman eh. For the mileage, pero yun yung consequence.
Freestyle. Question or dare?
Yes, you decide.
Honestly, kasi feeling ko masyadong emotional ito, I think it's time to turn the table.
Okay.
So,
Ako agree din kasi si Bakla talaga, kailangan mag si Bakla puro trauma dump lately.
but you know, that's valid, and we're here for you.
Oh, thank you.
But my dare for you is to like, you can take off a piece of clothing, maybe your underwear or your...
Underwear talaga. Ano?
Yeah, and put it on the table.
Underwear?
Or maybe yung shorts mo, if you want.
Okay, go lang. Mahaba yung ko. Mahaba yung t-shirt ko. Okay, go lang. Laban lang. Mga bakla, jokes on you. Mahaba yung t-shirt ko. Parang, okay, let's put it on the table. Ayan. Do you have any interesting fetishes?
Yeah, lately actually, I haven't like, for the most part of my life, I hadn't had like, yung mga out of the norm na fetishes. It's kind of embarrassing, but I'm a little drunk, so whatever. Na sobrang ganda kasi nung paa niya, and then I was just like, try to like, you want me to suck your feet or?
To be honest, like, iba-back up ko lang sinasabi niya, may mga taong nakakalibog yung paa.
Yeah, I agree.
May mga taong nakakalibog yung paa. May mga paa na nakakalibog.
But you know what? For the cameras, in my defense, this was an isolated case with one person only. I've never been, attracted to other people's feet before. Just this one person that I've been dating for the past few weeks.
Yes or no, given a chance after this, would you take a shower? Mukha lang akong kulang sa ligo.
Yeah, why not?
Oo, bakla.
Kasi kanina nga, di ba sabi ko yung question sa'yo earlier, like, where would you touch me? Sabi mo, alagaan mo kasi may sakit ako. I would take a shower with you.
Okay, so papaligo namin isa't isa, tanggal libag.
Tama. Hihilo din natin yung isa't isa. Have you ever tied someone up or been tied up in bed? So,
Oo.
ikaw yung...
Tied up na ako sa bed before. Nung teenager pa ako, may nakuha pa akong Japanese. Hindi ko alam na totoo pala may mga fetish na mga yung tali-tali, bakla. Hindi lang yung kamay ko yung nakatali, yung buong katawan. Tapos na may tali. Parang shibari? Oh, parang shinibari niya ako. Sabi ko, to be honest, nung time na sabi ko, parang ang hot na ito, pero looking back, sabi ko, mukha akong ham. Baka mukha akong ham. Laro.
But did you like it though?
Carry lang.
Would you do it again?
Bakla, hindi na. Ayoko na magmukhang ham. Mukha parang kulang na lang yung sauce na matamis. Ham na si bakla. Merry Christmas.
So hindi mo siya trip, hindi siya para sa'yo?
Hindi siya trip, hindi siya for me. Like, carry yung cups. Kasi
Yeah,
nasa
cups.
ko rin yun. Pero yung tali-tali, bakla, wag na. Ayoko na
Pero in bed, would you say you're like the dominant type or the submissive type?
Mas dominant ako.
Oh, so pag ikaw yung magtatali, you think you do it?
Kung may itatali ako na awal ako, bakla hindi, tatawanan ko. Kasi sabihin ko talaga, mukha kang ham. Mukha kang ham, bakla, wag na. Wag na tayo mag...
So masisira na yung vibe.
Uy, yun yung mawawala yung drive ni bakla. Sabi ko na, bakla, mukha kang ham, nakakatawa. Favorite position and a position you wish to try?
Well, I'm a basic guy, like a missionary. Kasi, it depends. Kapag hook up lang, para dog style, para di masyadong kita yung mukha. Para wala attachment. So,
Oh my God, oh.
pag missionary, if it's someone that I'm passionate with, I love na parang you can see their face and, you could kiss them at the same time.
What's the biggest misconception about you?
Yung nare-receive ko mostly na hate comments is ganun. I mean, I think I have my fair share of being in real life. I wouldn't like downplay myself na I know I'm a kind person. I know I wouldn't go out of my way to be mean towards anybody. Like in general, I know I'm a kind person. Like mostly I'm very chill. I don't really talk a lot when I'm outside. But ayun, a lot of people think I'm mean, ako pa like privileged kid. And for that matter, I'm not even a privileged kid. I grew up I grew up in Santa Mesa, man. And hindi naman ako lumaki na sobrang yaman. Hindi naman sobrang hirap. But we're like lower middle class, something like that. But yun, yung biggest misconception about me that I'm this like privileged kid who grew up with a silver spoon up my ass, na feeling entitled. But I know myself, and the people who I love knows me, and they know that I'm not like that.
Uy, hindi ka like, hindi, it's rare.
Thank you.
Hindi, the short time na chikahan natin, parang ang dami ko na napulot sa'yo agad. So hindi siya kupal. Bakla, pasabog ka.
Thank you.
In fairness.
Pasabog ka din.
Allow me to read your last 5 messages out loud.
I mean, sinunod ko lang kung papabasa ko ba rin sa no. Sorry. It's kahit ubusin ko itong isang bote na ito, hindi ko papabasa.
Walang mga brands. Kung may brand sana, ibibigay ko. Kontakin niyo si Jake Quinn.
Re-replyin mo, no?
Ilalarapit
Re-refer mo.
na kay Jake Quinn na lang.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot. No chance.
And that's it.
How I found the experience now, I'm actually a little tipsy and it's really fun. It's not what I expected, honestly, but I do it again. It's really fun, you know? And I don't regret coming here. I had so much fun with J Queen.
Ako ang dami. Kasi parang medyo senti nga yung mga ganap ng ibang question. Parang sobrang happy ko na, na si Lloyd yung natapat sa akin. Kasi ang dami ko natutunan sa kanya. Baka pasabog ka.
Ikaw din, pasabog ka.
Pasabog ka, be. Bet kita prinahin na after neto, parang inuman tayo magdama.
Diba?
We got you.